Alright guys, so look at this bag right here. Okay, we're going to learn how to make it. Okay, so just watch carefully and see how the measurements are taken. I'll be bringing a lot of videos like this our way, so that we can learn from it. Just watch how she's going to transform this trouser into a jeans. I mean, it's just incredible. All right, just watch carefully. I mean, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult at all. Okay, this is the style she's doing. You can see the style she's doing. Okay, now is to the patterns she has produced. Now she's transferring them on the fabric. Okay, and these are the patterns transferred to the fabric. Yes, watch carefully and you get this. Now it's time to join all of them together. And the good thing is that this bag is more or less like a two-faced bag. It's a two-faced bag. All right, it's a two-faced bag. Both the in and the outer face can be used. When she's done, you see how it is. It's really interesting. Okay, now is to stitch it carefully using the machine. Carefully stitch it using the machine. And these are not just ordinary stitches. These are zigzag stitches. You can see them. These are zigzag stitches. This is the side zip. All right, inside pocket. Okay, by the side. And just watch carefully. That's a zip there. Making a bag is not as difficult as we think at times. I think it's just about giving it your attention. Okay, being creative. It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. And the good thing is that it's interesting to make. All right, something that is really interesting to do. And come to think of it, bags and clothes, which is more easy to do? Please, let's have it in the comment section. Bags and clothes, which is more easier to make? Is making of bags much more easier, or is making of clothes much more easier? Which one do you think is the easier? Which one do you think is the toughest? Okay, but for now, you can drop in the comment section. Let me have your take on that. But now let's focus on what is going on here. And I'm believing that after this, several of us, after watching this video, you are going to produce your own bag. Actually, some of these simple bags, you don't even need to give somebody money to buy them, or give someone money to make them for us. You can just do it yourself. It's this simple. And you see this? I hope the video is not too fast, so hope you are understanding what is happening here. Alright, just follow carefully and you get it. It's not that difficult. I'm just enjoying it, okay? I'm just enjoying watching it. Yeah. Okay, now she's about to join everything and finish it up. This is really super cool. This is really interesting. Wow. So in the next few seconds, she'll be done with this. And like I said, guys, why don't you try it out? Try it out. Let's see. Try it out. Let's see. Try it out. Let's see. Okay, and this is the bag. You can see this is like the inside, this is like the outside. Okay, it's not two-faced. It's not two-faced. Yeah, this is the glue at one side, this is the other side. Okay, so guys, that is it about this bag, guys. So like I said, okay, now between bag making and clothes making, which do you think is most difficult? Which is most difficult? Is making of bags most difficult? Is making of clothes most difficult? What do you think? What do you think? But the thing is, one thing I like about videos like this is it helps you, it brings out creativity in you, and it makes you understand that this thing is not everything that you must go to the market and buy. Okay, you're a fashion designer, right? And there are bags that you still need to buy. Okay, yes. But there are some kind of simple bags that, after making customers dresses, you can just make those kind of simple bags so it will go with a dress, so that that makes people patronize you the more. Okay, imagine you began by doing those things even as a free gift. Okay, the fabric remained, and you just did something very simple that will cost you almost nothing, and you attach the person comes, madam, I made a bag for you, just a little for your, the person might love it, and I can tell how far that would take. All right, so there are some of these things you need to just try. As fashion designers, you can just try them by yourself. So I made a laptop bag for myself, okay, and that's like years ago. I made a laptop bag for myself over 5 years ago now. Yeah, I made a laptop bag for myself, and then I had not even seen videos like this. I just made it. Okay, so I made it from the idea of combat pocket. That was the idea I used. All right, so some of these things we can do them, and it will really give our work class. All right, so let me see in the comment section, what do you think? Is making of clothes easier than making of bags? Or what do you think? Or will you try it out? Thank you so much. See you some other time. Thank you.